This is the Team Roadcom FS, 80 channel UK/EU and multi-programmable for use in other countries across Europe. Covers 4 watts on the UK 40 and the European 40. 4 watts of FM on the German 80 channels and 1 watt of AM on the EU European 40. This rig has volume squelch, channel change, channel 9 high-low, change of backlit display, which I'll try and do now. Press the wrong one, there we go. Lights up very nicely at night time. Scan facility, automatic squelch control and a Vox facility. There we go. Team Roadcom.